Viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this episode, we will discuss about common vaccination available for lung infection. Currently, corona fever season is going on and everybody is worrying why there is no vaccination for corona fever. Similarly, there are several lung infections already going on, example pneumonia or swine flu infection, and lot of death are happening every year. Currently, vaccinations are available for these infections. The awareness about these vaccinations are not that great. So, I want to discuss this one. Before seeing the video, please visit NRG Healthcare. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon also. Let us discuss the pneumococcal vaccination first. Severe pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. This pneumococcal vaccination covers that infection. There are two types of vaccination available, Pneumovir 13 and 23. So this is mainly to target these type 13 and 23 strains which can cause pneumonia. It doesn't cover all the infection which can cause pneumonia. And similarly, whenever you get vaccinated, the likelihood of infection rate is less. Even if you get infected, the risk of complication and death is less compared to non-vaccinated people. So who need to be vaccinated? Less than 2 years of age and more than 65 years of age needs compulsory vaccination for this disease. Anybody between 2 and 64 years, if they are smoker or have any risk factors like diabetes, heart problem, asthma, it is better to get vaccinated against this disease. It's usually a simple injection, single dose. Unless there is a history of dialysis or immunocompromised state like AIDS patients, we give once in 5 years vaccination. The side effect of these vaccinations are very less. It's redness or swelling at the injection site, minimal pain, fever, headache like that. We don't recommend this vaccination if you are having severe allergy problem. But usually your doctor will go through your history and then only he suggests the vaccination. The next vaccination we are going to cover is swine flu vaccination or flu vaccination. In recent years, we are having a frequent outbreak of swine flu. Especially 2 years back, we had severe outbreak and death rate also was high. Every year, the strain changes. So, each year they give the vaccination according to the type of outbreak. This also prevent swine flu related pneumonia infection. The third vaccination is Haemophilus influenza vaccination. Currently, it is included in all kids immunization program. So, it is usually recommended for kids to prevent Haemophilus influenza related pneumonia. So, these are the current vaccination available. Please be aware of these vaccination and also follow all the precautions against the lung infection. Not only during the corona season, you also need to continue with hand washing and wearing mask when you go out in the crowded place, and cover your cough. While you are coughing, you close your mouth and nose with your hand, and also avoid smoking, improve your immunity and be physically active. All these things will help to minimize the risk of pneumonia or any lung related infections. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and subscribe to NRG Healthcare.